Hey guys, it's me, and today we will be playing Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location. Now, I know it is very delayed because I did buy it like a month ago, and I know I did do that video on certain code things that I wanted to try that would be new. Now, I am pimped out. I got my headphones on. I've got my Five Nights at Freddy's shirt on because it finally found it somewhere, and I've got my Bonnie plushie because you know what? Why not? Because this is my favorite original Five Nights at Freddy's character. Now, if you know me, my favorite Five Nights at Freddy's character of all time is definitely the puppet. I don't know why, but that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and launch it. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Alright. Here we go. Now, I do know that my camera might be, honestly, like a little bit, like, dismayed because of it.
There's no doubting what you've achieved on a technical level. These are clearly state-of-the-art. There are just certain design choices that were made for these robots that we don't fully understand. We were hoping that you could shed some light on those.
She can dance. She can sing. She's equipped with a built-in helium tank for inflating balloons right at her fingertips. She can take song requests. She can even dispense ice cream.
With all due respect, those aren't the design choices we were curious about, Mr. Afton.
Mr. Afton. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? That was Mr. Afton. How cool is that? So, we've got Mr. Afton now. Now, people are like, sorry about that. My microphone's weird. I need to get a new microphone. Now, people are really speculative about this right now because, here, let me turn this off real quick. Yeah, so people are really speculative right now because Mr. Afton could either be William or Michael, which Michael is his son. So people are very confused about it. Now, I have been doing a lot of reading right now with a book. I'm doing a lot of reading right now of a book called Five Nights at Freddy's The Silver Eyes. Now, in this book, I haven't finished it yet, and I haven't even gotten like halfway through it. But from what I've seen so far, there is a character called Michael, and I don't know what his last name is, but apparently he dies as a kid. Now, I had a theory that the book actually does take place during Sister Location, and the theory is that, like, my theory is, like, what if you played as Michael in the game? Because I know you played as Michael already. But, like, what if you played as Michael as a child? Like, if the book is canon, if Sister Location is canon, and all that other stuff is canon, that, like, maybe you played as him as a kid? And maybe that's why, because, like, you played as the last one as a kid. And what if he escapes, like, that facility that you're in or something? I mean, that'd be good. So, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and start night 1. Yeah, why won't he let her play with her? Guess she doesn't want him to die, right?
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. Whether you were approached at a job fair, read our ad in screws, bolts, and hairpins, or if this is the result of a dare, we welcome you. I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Hand Unit. Your new career promises challenge, intrigue,
awesome.
and endless janitorial opportunities. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful.
Mike, see, this is what I'm talking about. Where it says Mike right here, that's referencing to Michael Afton, which is who you played during the game. Not William Afton, Michael Afton's son. Alright, because that's where we have to go. 1, 3... 4, 7.
It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were
Now,
trying
that's
to
what I'm
type,
trying
and
to
I will
reference right now.
auto-correct it for you.
This
One
is
moment.
something I had a little
Welcome.
theory about too that I didn't really make a video on. But the keypad right here, I had a feeling that if I typed in 1, 3, 4, 7, something would happen because when you're typing in that keypad, it doesn't just go like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 when you're entering it. It goes 1, and then it skips to 3 dots, and then it skips to 4 dots, and then it just skips all the way over to 7 dots. So, I mean, that could be like something I thought it might be like referencing to a code that might be entered in here sometime. Maybe it changes throughout the notes. I don't know. Like, that's something I had an idea on, and I thought it might be something that could be a code. Now, I think I'm gonna just enter that a lot and do a bunch of things if I try. Alright.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button.
Okay.
Let's get to work.
I'm gonna enter it one more time though. 1, 3, 4, and 7. That's the code. See, there's this little thing. I do remember I tried something with it. I forgot what I did. I think I tried opening this, and I typed it in once before, and it literally, this whole thing right here was literally all the way up here. Like, you could go underneath it, but if you pressed it, it didn't take you underneath. It just went into the door. It might have been like a bug or something, but, you know, still, it's still pretty cool.
Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike
Circus
most
Babies
entertainment
Pizza
venues,
World.
our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day.
Go
And it's
faster.
your job to get the robots
Yeah.
back in proper
All right.
working order before the following morning. You are now in the primary control module. It's actually a crawl space between the two front showrooms. Now, let's get started with your daily tasks. View the window to your left. This is the Ballora Gallery Party Room and Dance Studio, encouraging kids to get fit and enjoy pizza. Let's turn on the light and see if Ballora is on
Oh
stage.
god, Jacksepticeye.
Press the blue button on the elevated keypads to your left.
To all you Jacksepticeye fans out there. She's not there! Oh no!
Uh-oh. It looks like
Where is
Ballora
she?
doesn't feel like dancing.
Does she not
Let's
feel like
give her some
dancing?
motivation. Press the red button
Wouldn't
now
shocking
to administer
her-
a controlled shock.
Wouldn't shocking her
Maybe
make
that will
her,
put the
like,
spring back in
really
her step.
angry at you? That's probably why she's gonna try to kill you, because you shocked her so much. It's like, seriously, you just sit there and you're like, I'm gonna
Let's check
kill
the
you.
light again.
Hey, she's beautiful without her freaking mini Ritas.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Ballora is feeling like her old self again, and
Is
will
she?
be ready to perform again tomorrow. Now view the window to your right. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where
Is
Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share.
How come her
Try
thing
the
is
light.
made, like,
Let's see
named
what
after
Funtime
her?
Foxy is up to.
Funtime Foxy and then Funtime Friday, okay. She's not there! Also,
Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
okay. Boop. She's still not there.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Okay. Boop. Hey! She's there.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job.
Alright, let's
In
go.
front of you is another vent shaft.
Yeah,
Crawl
let's,
through it
let's
to
do
reach the
it.
Circus Gallery control module.
Creepy air vent. Let's do it. Wait. I can look around when I'm doing this. It's difficult. It's hard to do. I think my coach should trigger circus gallery. There we go. I can look around while I run.
On the other side of the glass is Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's
Okay.
check the light and see what Baby
I
is
wonder
up
how
to.
big it is. I mean, it looks like it's huge, but how big is it really? Alright, let's do this. Bip. She's not there.
Looks like a few of the lights.
Might as
are
well
out,
shock
but we
her.
can fix that later.
Let's shock her.
Encourage Baby to cheer up with a control
Shock. Alright. She's not there. Let's try another controlled shock. That's what I was gonna say. Is it working? She's not there.
Let's try another controlled shock.
He sounds so disappointed. Oh, my peas. Whenever I say pee, like it's just like It like really hurts the microphone for some reason.